Welcome back to the Car Culture TV. Today we introduce this 2025 Kia Stinger GT, a car that keeps redefining what a performance sedan should be. With bold looks, a luxurious cabin, and a heart-pounding engine, the Stinger is still going strong. Let's dive into this beast. The 2025 Stinger GT features a sleek fastback design with an aggressive stance. From its signature tiger nose grille to the quad exhaust tips at the back, this car means business. Inside, it's all about premium comfort with a sporty edge. Red stitched leather seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and aluminum trim give it a true GT feel. Step inside, and you're greeted by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a wide touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and customizable ambient lighting. The sport bucket seats not only hug you tight but look stunning in red leather. The 2025 Stinger GT rides on 19-inch machined alloys and features full LED lighting all around. Functional air vents, gloss black mirrors, and a sculpted hood add drama to an already striking silhouette. Under the hood, the Stinger GT packs a 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 368 horsepower and 376 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 in just 4.7 seconds. With launch control, rear-wheel drive, or optional all-wheel drive, and adaptive suspension, the drive is thrilling, precise, and always fun. So what makes the 2025 Kia Stinger GT special? It's a sports sedan that dares to compete with German rivals, at a much lower price. You get head-turning looks, thrilling performance, and everyday comfort. And it still offers a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, unheard of in this segment. The 2025 Kia Stinger GT starts at $53,000, and for what it offers, that's a steal. If you want a sedan that doesn't play by the rules, the Stinger GT is the one to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments below.